Air displacement pipettes are sensitive and accurate pieces of lab equipment that you will use throughout the course. The pipettes allow volumes of solutions as small as 1 microlitre or a millionth of a litre to be measured accurately. Being able to work with such small volumes is important, especially where reagents are expensive. Otherwise, some biochemical reactions would need to be prepared in too large a volume. When working with pipettes, it is important to select the correct pipette for the volumes that you are wanting to measure. There are 4 pipettes that you will be working with, each accurate across a defined volume range. The numbers on the side of the pipette give you the volume range over which it can be used. You must never set the pipette to dispense a volume outside of this. The window on the side of the pipette displays 4 digits that are adjusted to set the pipette to the desired volume. This tells us that this pipette is accurate across the volume range 0.5 to 5 millilitres, which can be expressed as 500 to 5000 microlitres. Therefore, the largest volume this pipette can dispense is 5 millilitres or 5000 microlitres, and the smallest volume is 0.5 millilitres or 500 microlitres. 5 millilitres is shown on the side window display as 5, 0, 0, 0. In terms of microlitres, the upper number is thousands, followed by hundreds, then tens, and finally units. This tells us that the pipette is accurate across the volume range of 100 to 1000 microlitres. Therefore, the largest volume this pipette can dispense is 1000 microlitres and the smallest is 100 microlitres. On the window display, 1000 therefore represents 1000 microlitres. Again, the upper number is thousands, followed by hundreds, then tens, and finally units. Therefore, this pipette could be used to set a volume of 650 microlitres. For pipetting even smaller volumes, this pipette is accurate across the volume range of 20 to 200 microlitres. So the largest volume this pipette can dispense is 200 microlitres and the smallest is 20 microlitres. On the side window display, there is no need for a thousands value since the pipette cannot work in this range. Therefore, 200 microlitres is displayed as 2, 0, 0, 0, with the upper number being hundreds, followed by tens, and then units. The lowest number is decimals, and note that the decimal value is separated by a line. Therefore, this pipette could be used to set a volume of 175 microlitres. This pipette can be used for pipetting single microlitre volumes and is accurate across the range of 0.5 microlitres to 10 microlitres. On the side window display, there is no need for a thousands or hundreds value since this pipette cannot work in those ranges. Therefore, 10 microlitres is displayed as 1, 0, 0, 0, with the lower 2 zeros or decimals shown below the line. Here, the upper number is tens, followed by units, and the lower 2 numbers decimals, again the decimal values are separated by a line. Therefore, this pipette could be used to set a volume of 7.5 microlitres. It is important that you always select the correct pipette by thinking about which one is suitable for pipetting the desired volume. Attempting to adjust the pipettes outside of their volume range will damage the unit. To test your understanding, please complete the short quiz on the KLE.